All right. Today's funnel a day is a gym website. It's actually a full website that you can give to any gym owner, and they will just love you to death because we have got a really incredible looking site. It's got a bunch of different areas where they can, plug in their different content, and this is something that when they find ClickFunnels, obviously a gym owner is, business savvy, and they're going to want to be able to control their business, and being able to control your website on the fly, very powerful. So your job is just to give this away, and I'll show you how easily we can make some changes to this thing. And once you download it into your account, even if you're, haven't taken the Guerrilla Givers course or anything, I'll give you a little tip. Take this website, and once you grab the share funnel, you're going to get an account to ClickFunnels, and go in there and grab the share file. I'm going to show you how to grab the share file, and you can take that share file and give this website to anybody you like. And when you give it away, I'll show you what happens. So this is how easy your gym owner can actually make changes. They can swap their logo out here. They can just, upload any logos in here, and they can swap it out. They can change the phone number up here real fast. They can write promotions in here. They can do so many different things. Change the classes up. Change the videos. This is actually a pop-up. So this video pops up when someone hits that. So great little site, and every gym owner could use it. You can change these colors if you think it's too, if you want to change the colors up, you can. But okay, so now that you see how easy it is, maybe you're the gym owner looking at this, or maybe you're just out there and you're a hustler and you see this. I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to back out. Let me show you how we hustle these things and how we're giving away funnels and making money doing so. So earlier you might have seen the affiliate program video. If you haven't, we make 40% when someone sets up their ClickFunnels account. So we give this funnel to them. We give this front page funnel. All it is kind of like a static looking website, which would cost maybe between $500 and $1,000 in the real world. A WordPress site, set up like this would be $500 to $1,000. So you give this to a business owner and you say, hey, it's going to be $97 a month when you go to ClickFunnels, and you pay them, you don't pay me. So now they're like, okay, that sounds fair, right? You're going to give me a template, and they're automatically probably thinking like, what's in it for me? So what you want to do is, or what's in it for you? So they, what you want to do is actually tell them, hey, I'll do some changes for $100, up front, if you like, or if you want to do the changes yourself, that's cool too. I just thought you might like this. So you give them the website, they get an account, you make a 40% commission on their $97 every single month. You're a hero. You just made a connection with a business owner, and this is how it works. So you give them the share funnel just like this, right? I just put it in an incognito window, so it'll show you exactly how it's going to pop up on theirs. And basically it says, hey, this person has shared a funnel with you, and it starts to teach them about ClickFunnels. So now, not a member, go ahead and grab your trial, and it's going to show them exactly what the funnel looks like. So super cool. You give this stuff away, they come in here, they become enamored with ClickFunnels. You take a 40% commission for introducing them to a platform that helps them run their business a little bit more freely and independently. So you don't have to have a web programmer or anything like that sitting around and on call. If I, the Purple Gorilla, can figure out how to build this stuff, anybody can figure out how to build this stuff. So all you have to do is grab this share funnel down below and set your account up, whether you're a ClickFunnels member or not. Set that account up, and you can go in and get your affiliate tags. Or actually, they made it so easy, now you don't even have to go and get your affiliate tags. You go straight into this funnel that I gave you, and you can share it. Just hit this, and boom, as soon as you start sharing it out, that's an affiliate commissions.
Yeah.